Inventum Engineering. In spite of the strict maintenance schedules followed by your technical personnel, the breakdowns still occur, leading to expensive downtimes. One of the common reasons of breakdowns is the failure of bearings. Heating an oil bath is a slow process and can cause contamination and loss of pre-lubrication. Heating with a blowtorch tends to overheat and spoil the bearing. Hammering is a safety hazard. These methods can be found unclean, unfair, and unsafe. The Inventum for Bearing Care brings you the induction heater, which can make this work fast, easy, reliable, and safe. The robust industrial design and its user-oriented, easily readable functions and display make it perfect. The most convenient and scientifically correct method to heat the bearings is by induction heaters. By placing the bearing on the yoke, the induction heater then starts to produce strong alternative magnetic fields that induce eddy currents in metal. These currents cause rapid and efficient heating of the bearings. As a result, the bearing expands and can be mounted on the shaft easily and safely. This logical approach to shrink fitting by heater offers several advantages and improves life expectancy of components. Some advantages of Inventum induction heaters are proper fitting, it's safe, it's energy saving, it's portable, it's ecology friendly, demagnetization. That's why, by keeping in view the special requirements of industrial applications, the Inventum offers several hundred of induction heaters of the HIB series to complete the satisfaction of customers from major industries. It's ready to use. Just switch it on and heat. Find more on www.inventumindia.com.